Market power allows companies to have significant control over the pricing of products in their industries, either because of their ability to charge a premium price related to quality or reputation, or their ability to sell at a lower cost due to economies of scale and other cost advantages. Economies of scale, manufacturing efficiency, control over inputs, quality of service, and many other capabilities give companies market power. And acquisitions are one way that firms can get the capabilities that they need to gain this market power. There are three primary types of acquisitions, and those are horizontal, vertical, and related acquisitions. We're going to talk about each one. Horizontal acquisitions are when a company buys another company in its same industry. Benefits of this can be growth in revenue and also cost savings related to economies of scale or other things where they have activities that may overlap, where they can save by not having to do quite as much. An example of a horizontal acquisition, or in this case a merger, was Kraft and Heinz, that each had large portfolios of food products. By merging, they had an even larger portfolio and the ability to pursue economies of scope and economies of scale, providing them market power and significant control within their industry. For another example of a horizontal acquisition that provided market power, Facebook acquired Instagram in 2012. Their business model is to get you to spend as much time on a social media platform as possible so they can earn ad revenue. If you were on Instagram before that acquisition, then Facebook was losing revenue. By purchasing Instagram, Facebook gets more people's time for longer. Vertical acquisitions are when a company purchases a supplier or a distributor in their industry in order to give them more control over the value chain and greater market power. In 2018, IKEA bought a 25,000-acre forest in Alabama to gain access to wood. This added to 250,000 acres of forest that they already own in Europe. IKEA's furniture requires a lot of wood, so it helps them to own the forest and responsibly manage that forest so it can continue to produce the products that they need. IKEA acquires this land to become its own supplier. A friend of mine runs a huge dairy with 6,000 cows and supplies milk to Walmart stores in multiple states. Part of his value chain is getting milk to a processing plant. He used to hire someone else to do this. But then he acquired significant assets from a trucking company in order to build his own ability to deliver milk to the processor and no longer rely on others. He built his own delivery capabilities by acquiring those assets. Sometimes companies acquire another company in a related industry. Usually this is done to get into a new area or to expand or to do something new. Amazon acquired Whole Foods in 2017. Online discount retail works different than in-person premium grocery retail, but Amazon wanted to get into a new industry. Purchasing a related company allowed Amazon to get into a related industry and expand its footprint and its capabilities. Look around your industry, a related industry, or maybe even your own company to identify an acquisition. Describe that acquisition. What was the company, or what do you think that company was trying to do? And does it fit the description of a horizontal, vertical, or related acquisition? I hope you find this video to be helpful. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day. Take care.